Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng monthly reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay, so this is for February reading. Okay, so alamin natin kung ano mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa buwan na ito for this month na February. And ito ay buwan ng mga puso. So alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces or gabay, mensahe ng tarot cards for Pisces sa buwan na ito. Okay? Reminder lang po na ito ay general reading Pisces. So, pwede pong mag-resonate, pwede pong hindi. Okay? And sa lahat po ng gender na nanonood ngayon, feminine, masculine, ay pwede po mag-resonate sa lahat. Babae, lalaki, and LGBT po. Okay? Sa mga taong nanonood ngayon, or sa mga taong dinidil nyo na pwedeng konektado sa ating reading sa buwan na ito. Okay? So, ano po ang message po for Pisces for the month of February? Okay, ano po ang message niya po for Pisces for the month of February? Okay, so there's a Two of Pentacles. There's something na kailangan mong i-balance, Pisces, or kailangan mong parang meron kang pagpipilian. Okay? There's a choices. It's either kung ano man yun, pwedeng ito ay something na travel or something na big decision, Pisces. Kasi sa Two of Pentacles na nandito, meron tayo ditong dalawang klaseng bangka or barko. Yung isa is malaki, yung isa is maliit. So, kung ano man yung pipiliin mo, of course, there's a consequences of it. Okay? So, you have to think wisely, choose wisely, Pisces, kung ano man tong decision na gagawin mo. And, oh wow, Queen of Pentacles. So, pwede ito ay merong connection sa pera. Okay, you have to think practical, Pisces. Kumbaga, pag-isipan mo ng mabuti and i-balance kung yung kailangan, yung mga wants, okay? Yung mga needs. Parang ganun po. So, i-balance kung ano man yung merong opportunity or choices na pwede mong pagpipilian. Okay? So, be practical, Pisces. Okay? Kung ano man ito, pwede ito ay merong connection sa trabaho, pwede ito ay merong connection sa, pwede ding pag-ibig. Pero mostly kasi Pentacles is trabaho or pera. Okay? Oh, okay. So, pwede meron itong connection sa kay King of Cups. As I said kanina, this is a love month, okay? Buwan ng mga pag-ibig. So, kung meron ka mang karelasyon ngayon, kasi meron tayo ditong power couple right here. There's a queen and there's a king. Okay? Pero kahit king, queen, pwede po ito mag-resonate sa lahat po ng gender. Okay? So, merong merong decision na gagawin for this month na merong connection sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Yung isa is more on parang logic, more on practical, and yung isa naman is more on emotional. Okay? So, you guys are different type of people. Magkaiba kayo ng ugali, magkaiba kayo ng, alam mo yun, ng pwede ding culture, kasi magkaiba talaga sila eh, opposite, okay? Yung isa is more on working something like more on business, trabaho, negosyo, pera. Yung isa naman is all about love, okay? But it balance all aspects in life, okay? Parang yung differences ng dalawa, Pisces, is yun yung nagko-connect sa inyong dalawa ng mas malakas, okay? Parang opposite attracts, parang ganun. And there's something na kailangan yung gagawing decision for the both of you. Okay? So, ano po yun? Ano po yung decision na gagawin po? Oh, the High Priestess. You guys are so different. Okay? You guys are so into you. Okay? Ba't ko nasabi yun? Parang magkaiba. As I said kanina, magkaiba talaga kayo. Magkaiba kayo. Okay? Pero, yung spirit nyo, Pisces, yung soul nyo is iisa. Okay, you are connected with this person, with your special someone. Okay, the High Priestess kasi is all about emotions. I mean, is all about gut feeling, inner self, parang ganun, okay? Spiritual, intellectual, okay? So, this card right here is, ito yung parang gitna yung dalawa. Different type of people, pero iisa yung pag-ibig, iisang linya kayo, and you are connected with this person, kung sino man ito, Pisces, okay? So, and you are both matured, kasi wala tayong page dito, and you are both king and queen, so matured people, and you are connected with this person, kung sino man ito. Pwedeng kilala mo na to, Pisces, pwedeng kasama mo na to ngayon, pwedeng you're in a relationship right now, pero kung hindi naman, meron kang gagawing decision regarding with this person, okay? And there is something na malakas yung kutob mo with this person, okay? Mararamdaman mo yun. Merong special sa kanya na hindi mo ma-pinpoint, hindi mo alam kung ano, pero there is something to this person. Kung hindi mo man to kilala, hindi mo pa to, alam mo yun, karelasyon. Pag nakita mo tong taong to, Pisces, merong something na iba sa kanya, na sobra kayong magko-connect. Alam mo yun. Okay? Kung single ka man yan, Pisces, pero kung as I said kanina, you're in a relationship, you guys are so different kind of people, pero iisa yung tibok ng puso nyo, iisa yung, alam mo yun, string yung dalawa. You are connected with this person, spiritually, emotionally, parang practical, pwede din, okay? Kasi magkaiba kayong dalawa, pero it makes you bond stronger, okay? So, wow. Ano kaya tong pagpipilian niyo, Pisces? Hindi ko maano. Bottom of the deck is Page of Swords. Feel ko kailangan natin tong i-clarify. Gagamitin natin itong isa nating tarot cards. I-clarify natin to lahat, okay? And bottom of the deck is Page of Swords. This card represents something as gathering information, and pwede parang magkaiba kayo ng lugar, okay? Parang long distance kayong dalawa. Kasi this card kasi is something na looking at you at the distance, okay? Magkaiba kayong lugar, Pisces, pwedeng long distance kayong dalawa, okay? And you're trying to have pasensya na po talaga kung meron po kayo naririnig na background noises po, okay? Meron kayong ginagather na information, pwede merong isa sa inyo or pareho kayong dalawa na, alam mo yun, parang nagpaplano. There's a planning, and pwedeng yung planning na yun, as I said kanina, Pisces, pwedeng magkaiba kayo ng lugar, okay? Long distance kayo kasi meron tayo ditong dagat and barko. And merong isa sa inyo, parang merong plano sa buwan na ito. So, meron siyang pagpipilian. Okay? Pwedeng ito ay something na konektado sa buwan na ito, lalong-lalo na sa araw ng pag-ibig, okay? So, pwedeng merong pa-surprise itong taong to, kung sino man ito sa kanilang dalawa. Okay? So, merong pagpipilian, merong choices, merong planning na gagawin, okay? Kasi this card also represents something as parang gathering some information regarding with the both of you, okay? Or kung hindi naman, kung single ka naman ngayon sa buwan na ito, Pisces, kung wala ka namang karelasyon, hindi mo man to kilala, okay? There is someone na caught mo yung attention niya, okay? So, pwedeng ini-stalk ka niya sa social media, kasi this card also represents a stalking, okay? Nakatingin itong taong to, nakuha mo yung attention niya, okay? So, pwedeng this person is trying to come to you, to try to, alam mo yun, to communicate with you, nagpaplano siya kung paano kanya i-approach, parang ganun, okay? So, there is someone na parang nagpaplanong kilalanin ka, Pisces, kung single ka man, okay? There is someone, kilala mo man to o hindi, merong isang tao na there is something on you, okay? And ito yung plano niya na paano ka i-approach nito, okay? Kung single ka man yun, Pisces. Pero, as I said, kung in a relationship ka man, there's a big possibility, Pisces, na your specific person is trying to make a surprise for you. Okay, kasi Page of Swords and Two of Pentacles. Kitang-kita niyo, meron siyang plano, meron siyang pinag-iisipan kung paano niya gagawin. Or pwedeng ikaw po, meron kang plano na, alam mo yun, ano ba gagawin ko sa araw ng mga pag-ibig? Okay, parang ganun. Okay, so there's a pa-surprise planning for this specific person. Or kung hindi naman single, merong someone na mag-a-approach sa'yo, Pisces. Okay, so as I said kanina, i-clarify natin itong mga cards natin dito. Gamitin natin itong isa nating tarot cards, okay? Okay, so ano po ang message po for Pisces? Clarifications for this reading for the month of February. Shuffle muna natin to. Ano po ang clarifications for Two of Pentacles? Ano po yung plano na gagawin? Seven of Wands. Okay, ano pa po ang message po for Pisces? Sa Two of Pentacles. Oh, the Hermit. Sa Two of Pentacles na nandito, Pisces, this person is trying to remove something na nagbablock sa inyong dalawa. Okay? As I said kanina, pwede meron kayong physical distance with this person. Okay? And nakikita nyo, Pisces, and para siyang giant, and meron ditong, para ito yung fence niyong dalawa, nasa ibang lugar siya, and nasa ibang lugar ka din, okay? Ito yung nakabalakid sa inyo, and tinatanggal niya to. He's trying to remove all these obstacles na nakakapagpahadlang sa inyong dalawa, okay? And pwede you're dealing with someone na Virgo, pwede you're dealing with someone na Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, okay? So, this person is trying something na, alam mo yun, yung parang gagawa siya ng effort for you, Pisces, or ikaw yung gagawa ng effort for this person. And para siyang, alam mo yun, meron siyang gagawing big decision, big step, leap of faith. Parang, meron siyang gagawin na malakihan, Pisces, na hindi mo maano. Parang, pag malaman mo to, magugulat ka and sobra mo ito ma-appreciate. Yung parang, sobra kang mamamangha sa effort ng taong to sa'yo, Pisces. Kasi kitang-kita nyo, tinatanggal niya tong obstacle na namamagitan sa inyong dalawa. And this person is strong-willed, okay? Parang bigla ko na ano yung parang sobrang desidido niya na gagawin to. Kasi yung pagmamahal, yung emotions niya, is yun yung nagagabay niya for you. Ginagawa niyang gabay para gawin tong lahat ng mga, kung ano man tong pinaplano niya sa'yo, Pisces, okay? O pwedeng ikaw po, kung in a relationship ka man ngayon. Pero kung single ka, Pisces, as I said kanina, this person is trying everything or something na kung paano kanya i-approach, okay? Pwedeng ito yung parang takot, anxiety na papansinin ba ako ni Pisces, paano ko ba siya i-approach, paano ba to, ganito, ganyan, okay? So, tinatanggal niya isa-isa yung takot niya para maging ready siya on how to approach you, okay? Parang andun yung takot pero mas malakas yung desidido ng taong to sa'yo, Pisces, okay? So, wow. This person will move mountains for you, Pisces. Wow. So, ano po yung clarifications for Queen of Pentacles? What are the clarifications for Queen of Pentacles? Ace of Swords. As I said kanina, Pisces, ipaglalaban ka ng taong to. This person will move mountains for you. Okay? This person is gagawa ng lahat ng kaya niyang gawin, Pisces. May paglaban ka lang or gagawin. Alam mo yun, yung parang walang makakapigil sa taong to. Nakikita niyo, ang sword kasi is all about parang, eto, tingnan niyo. Page of Swords and Ace of Swords. Ito yung hawak na dito, Pisces. Okay? So, ito yung feeling, emotions na, alam mo yun, yung parang walang makakapigil gagawin ko to. Yung sword niya is merong corona, merong crown, okay? So, this person will take all the possibilities para lang gagawin niya to. Okay, ipaglalaban ka ng taong to, Pisces, sobra. Kung karelasyon ka man nito, kumbaga, as I said kanina, you're in a long distance relationship and he or she will move mountains just for you, Pisces, okay? Kung meron mga balakid, tatanggalin niya yun para lang sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Kung single ka man, Pisces, this person is trying to think everything. Okay? Nagagather siya ng information, nagagather siya ng lakas ng loob, nagagather siya ng lahat ng strength para lang i-approach ka. Kasi there is something on you. There's something on you na uh, hindi niya ma-pinpoint, hindi niya alam kung ano, pero merong something sa inyong dalawa. And yun yung sobrang, alam mo yun yung sobrang nakakapag paramdam sa'yo ng pagmamahal na kahit hindi mo alam kung ano, pero merong malakas na force na nagko-connect sa inyong dalawa, Pisces. And that is true love. Para pong ganun, okay? Kung naniniwala ka man sa true love, Pisces. Pero this person, ito yung makikita mong effort na hindi mo nakita sa ibang tao. Okay? So, it's either ikaw yung gagawa ng effort, Pisces, or this person is gagawa ng effort for you. Mapa-single man or mapa-in a relationship. Okay? So, clarifications for this King of Cups. Clarifications for this King of Cups. Ano po ang clarifications? Ano? Ayun. So, meron tayo ditong 4 for King of Cups. Okay. Oh. So, there's a 4 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, 8 of Wands, and 5 of Pentacles. Okay, so, pwede merong separation sa inyong dalawa, Pisces. Pwede merong kayong something na, kung in a relationship man kayo, pwedeng merong nangyari na, alam mo yun, yung parang, there's a separation, there's parang rejection, or parang, alam mo yun, naiwan sa ere, parang ganun po, okay? So, it's either merong nangyari sa inyong dalawa, or pwedeng itong taong to is meron siyang fear of abandonment, okay? Meron siyang fear na parang, natatakot siya na iwan mo siya, natatakot siya na mapag-isa, alam mo yun, yung parang meron siyang past traumas because of this 5 of Pentacles. It's either this is a past trauma with this person or ikaw, Pisces, okay? Or pwede meron nangyari sa inyong dalawa na parang parang merong lungkot na nangyari. Pwede po, okay? Pwedeng ito ay naghiwalay kayo, pwedeng ito ay separation, something na rejection or kung ano man. Okay? Pwede ding ito yung naging reason kung bakit ini-stalk ka niya. Okay? And this person is trying everything para lang paano kanya i-approach, planning everything kung paano kanya i-connect ulit. Okay? So, there's a long distance, there's a distance between the both of you, physically and emotionally, okay? Pero, meron talagang effort coming from this person towards you. Okay? Or pwede pong vice versa. Pwede pong ikaw yung gagawa nun, Pisces. Okay? Kung single man, ganun rin. Okay? Pwede meron kang fear of abandonment. Pwede meron kang takot dati, past traumas. Okay? Pero this person, there is someone out there na nakuha mo yung attention niya, Pisces. And pwedeng inaasa mo to or hindi, pero meron darating for the both of you na isang malakihang leap of faith sa buwan na ito, Pisces. Okay? Pagdating sa pag-ibig. Okay? And meron tayo ditong, yes, 8 of Wands. This card always kung sinasabi na message, mensahe, coming from someone na medyo malayo. Okay? Nakikita nyo sa 8 of Wands na nandito, meron tayo ditong parang body of water and yung bahay niya is medyo malayo. Okay? So, there's a distance between the both of you. Pero tatanggalin niya to. Tatanggalin niya itong mga takot, mga harang na namamagitan sa inyong dalawa. Okay? And merong pag-iipon, merong something na ibibigay. This is so valuable coming from this person. Meron siyang something sa sarili niya, sa buhay niya, Pisces, and willing niyang ibigay yun sa'yo. Yung isang coins na dito, marami siyang coin eh. Okay, marami siyang coins na nakapaligid sa sarili niya. Pwedeng ito ay physical na pera. Okay, or kung hindi naman, something na valuable coming from this person na ibibigay niya sa'yo. Okay? Ito yung ibibigay niya sa'yo, Pisces. Iaabot niya. Pwedeng ito ay galing sa mensahe, pwedeng ito ay gagawin niya physically. Okay? So, pwedeng ito yung plano niya. Ito yung pinagpaplanuhan ng taong dinidil mo, Pisces. And you can expect for this month na merong ibibigay, merong iaabot, o merong gagawin itong taong to for you. She will move mountains for you, Pisces, okay? Kung ano man yung nangyari dati, yun yung magiging rason kung bakit magla-level up yung relationship niyo, Pisces. Okay? So, pwedeng there's a comeback kung in a separation man kayo. Okay? Kung hindi naman, kung ano yung nangyari na parang naging reason na medyo naging, alam mo yun, shaky yung relationship niyo, this person will move mountains again for you, Pisces. Okay? Pero kung single ka man, merong isang tao na willing ibigay yung isang coin niya para sa iyo. Okay? Kumbaga, merong something important coming from him or her na willing niyang ibigay. You are worth it for this person, Pisces. Okay? Worth it. Ramdam ko yung parang willing siyang magbigay sa kung anong meron siya dahil he or she sees your worth. Okay? So, hindi siya natatakot kung ano man yung ibibigay niya sa'yo, Pisces. Or pwedeng ikaw po, pwede pong ikaw yung gagawa ng big leap of faith with this reading right now. Okay, so ano po yung clarifications for this? The High Priestess. Ano po ang clarifications for this? The High Priestess. Yes, you have something na fear of abandonment, Pisces. And this person will do everything na hindi mo naranasan sa ibang tao. Okay? Pwede meron ka mga past relationship, Pisces, na nakita mong tumalikod sa'yo, naglalakad sa'yo palayo. Tumalikod ng ghost, pwede din, rejection, or anything na naglalakad sa'yo palayo, Pisces. Pero this person, hindi siya ganito. Nakikita niyo sa dalawang tao dito, yung mga swords nila is nahulog, okay, binitawan, pero merong isa dito na nakahawak pa rin. Okay? Nakikita niyo yung hawak na sword niya, pareho dito. Okay, sa page of swords natin dito. And ito yung iaabot niya sa'yo, Pisces. There's a Ace of Swords, Ace of Pentacles. Wow! So, we have two aces right here, Pisces. So, there's a big leap of faith, big decision with this person na, alam mo yun, gagawin niya sa'yo. Gagawin niya sa'yo, Pisces. Pwedeng, hindi mo to naranasan sa ibang tao, magugulat ka na ganito pala siya mag-effort, okay? And sobrang mo ito ma-appreciate for this month. Okay? Kung single ka man, Pisces, again, there is something with this person na hindi mo nakita sa ibang relationship mo or sa ibang tao. Okay? And there is something special na konektado sa inyong dalawa. There is a big special feeling, special connection between the both of you. Okay? Mapa-single or in a relationship man, ang bottom of the reading right now is there's a big effort, big leap of faith na gagawin sa buwan na ito regarding with your specific person, Pisces. Okay? Bottom of the deck. Okay. Two of Cups, Pisces. Two of Cups. Soulmate card. Okay? Again, always ko pong sinasabi kung araw-araw ka man nanonood sa ating reading. Okay? This card is almost the same yung meaning nito sa The Lover's card. Okay? Nakikita nyo, merong dalawang tao dito na nagpapalitan ng cups and meron tayo ditong lion and may wings. This card represents, this lion with wings right here represents as universe, divine spirit, na ito yung nagagabay sa inyong dalawa. Okay? You are connected with this person. Soulmate card. Okay? Soulmate. You are destined to meet each other. Okay? So, wow! Sobrang ganda ng reading natin ngayon. Medyo napahaba, pero it's worth it. Okay? Mapa-single or in a relationship, Pisces, I'm so happy kung ano man yung darating sa buwan na ito. Sobrang ganda. Okay? So, yun lang po ang ating reading sa araw na ito, Pisces. Naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? So, thank you, Pisces, and God bless.